We're going to take a look at a tool called a DRAT, or commonly also known as a dial ring alignment tool. And this is for mechanical combination locks. Now we've already installed the lock body on this mount, and next I'm going to go ahead and install the dial ring, and I'll show you how quickly and easy it is to do this without having any binding of the dial once you've installed it. Your basic components of the tool: we have 2 bushings for the different types of dial rings that are out, and 2 other additional bushings for wheel post. And then we've got this brass rod that actually runs through everything and keeps everything together and lined up. The first thing I do, I'm going to install this Ilco dial. There's our dial, and I need to select the correct dial ring bushing. And these are labeled as to what you need. The instructions tell you which one to use. However, if you say you had a dial ring that wasn't listed, all you could do is take these, check to see how they fit. You really want one that's just going to fit in snug. That one fits perfect. I'm going to take this, run it through the center, and through the safe door. And on this side, we're going to take our wheel post bushing, slide that on the shaft. It should bottom out against the wheel post. Then we take this, slide everything together, keep it snug, tighten that up. Now at this point, everything's lined up as we need it. Next, I just need to align my opening index where I want it and put the screws in. And no binding of the dial, nice and free.